Can you hear me? Hello, welcome back to Tiny Bread Factory. I hope you can hear me because my microphone is... I got a new microphone. So, yeah, now you can hear my voice. I'm scared, gang. Dude, I'm actually so scared. Yo, like, I'm actually terrified of speaking on YouTube again. This is horrifying for me. I don't know why. I already done this. It's just scary for me. Welcome back, guys. Holy, we're back. Oh my god, my throat. Yo. I'm nervous, bro. Well, welcome back. Oh my god. I'm sorry that my mic broke. I know some of y'all are like, oh my god, he's back to talking. I just took a shower. So yeah. So I'm a little nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, first video. Bro, I'm getting back into Wobbly Life. My last Wobbly Life video was 3 months ago, chat. I need to get back into Wobbly Life. XP. Dude, I need to get back into Wobbly Life. 1 million! Okay, it looks like the leaderboard has stayed the same. That's cool. I'm just nervous. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm trying not to freak out. I'm freaking out, gang. Oh my god, I'm nervous. The first video that I haven't, oh my gosh, I haven't talked in so long on YouTube. Ooh, this is making me nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm trying not to like freak out. I said that like 13 times. I'm gonna stop saying that. Bro, how is that enough? Not enough. Oh my gosh. As soon as I put in the water. Yo. Bro, back to school is about as. I mean, we're going back to school, guys. So, yeah, don't expect a lot of videos anymore. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to post daily from now on, if I can. If I got homework or stuff to do, I will let y'all know. But for now, we're going to get back. We're going to go back how we used to on YouTube. Back on Milo 12:15. I'm not funny at all. We are going to get back into Bed Wars, y'all. My last Bed Wars video was like... when was my last Bed Wars video? That's how long I haven't been on YouTube for. Like, oh my gosh. This is making me so nervous. Oh my god, I said I would stop saying that! Oh, that bread almost was winning. Bro, why is the video that I post not Wobbly Life? I'm surprised I didn't start off talking again with a Wobbly Life video. But that hurt my throat. Well, welcome back. I already said that. Bro, it's 3 minutes into the video. Oh my god. Don't freak out. Bro! Alright. This is making me scared. Oh my god! I gotta stop saying that. Okay. Calm down. I know y'all can't hear me because my mic isn't on my desk. It's on... Hello! It's on somewhere else. It's on where I turn on my monitor. Or PC. Whatever. The thing is, I can't mute my mic anymore. So I'm going to have to, like, click on something so then I can actually mute myself. So then if one of my brothers walk in, not revealing names, too personal. Oh my gosh. One of my brothers will not be happy if I reveal his name. I've revealed the gender. Bruh. Well, Tiny Bread Factory, part 6? Welcome back to me talking uncontrollably. And now, I'm going back to Wobbly Life, chat. We're going to Wobbly Life in a couple days. Nah, I'm joking. I'm doing one like later today. Oh, until you die for me. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. 69 subscribers, y'all. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for all that support, brother. Or chat. What can I call you? Can I just call you something? What should I call you? I'll just call y'all the Milo 112 gang. The Milo 112 gang. Nah, that is so corny, gang. No, I'm joking. I'm just gonna call y'all. I don't even have a name for y'all. I'm gonna call y'all chat. Yo, chat! What should I play today? What is wrong with me? First video after I come back is the most dumbest video ever. Again. Chat, like I'm actually an idiot. Alright, so thank you all for 69 subs. Wait. Oh no! Why do we have to start off me having a mic again on a bread video? That's my question. Why did I start off with a bread video? Oh shoot. I want to play the Verity mod. I have it, it's just it won't work. Like I really want to, if I could live stream, I would. I've been playing Roblox, Minecraft Hardcore, a lot of stuff. I have to go back to school on Wednesday. I don't want to go back to school. School? What the? Oh my, holy! What was that? Nah, what was that lag, bro? My game full froze. It was like, you recording? Nah, not anymore. Oh, this is giving me chills. Bro, it's been raining in Arizona like so much, gang. Or chat. Forget it, my bad. Like, dude, thunderstorms, dust storms, storms. It's just storms here now. For like a week, like a couple weeks ago, like a month ago, or like 3 weeks ago, there was like a whole dust storm, thunderstorm, a whole bunch of storms. It was wild. You can ask people in Arizona also. You can comment on the videos and say, hey, was there a lot of storms in your area? Like, bro, there was so much in my area, gang. Gang, on one of the storms, I saw a freaking rainbow. I was like, yay! POV, see a rainbow as like a toddler? Yay! Best thing of my life! Okay, that was so stupid. I mean, like, bro, it's me we're talking about, so of course I'm gonna say some stupid stuff. My ears, gang. I hope y'all can hear me good, cause like my camera is, not my camera. Oh my god. I just hope y'all can hear me, cause if y'all can't hear me, I'm actually gonna be mad. I'm joking. Find the sandwiches. Why did I even play that? It's just a game that popped up on my For You page. That was the last video of me not having a mic. The last video of me having a mic was like Morpha part Spinosaurus, I think. I think, chat. Like, I think that's what it is. That was like the last video I had of me having a mic. And then, pure silence. No Wobbly Life videos since then. Y'all have probably been bored out of your mind since I haven't posted any Wobbly Life videos. Bro, honest question, y'all. Wait, what was I gonna say? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I kind of forgot what I was about to say. Have y'all been like depressed since I haven't posted a wildlife video? All I've been posting now is just Roblox. I mean, I'm playing right now. We're getting back into wildlife chat. Later today, I am making like 2 wildlife videos. 2. Parkour pandemic, yo. Parkour. Oh my gosh, throat. Time to sell. Do y'all have that like one weird friend in school? Did I really have to say school like that? Oh my gosh. I was like, school. What is wrong with me, bro? Oh! Bread. Launch in. Get launched in. Oh. We're gonna get eaten, chat. Wait. What? Y'all didn't hear that. Y'all did not hear that. Y'all heard that. Don't say anything. Bro, what is that noise? As long as there's a lot. Bro. What is wrong with me? Bread. Let's see what's happening in chat. Who the heck is Kiki? Kiki, come downstairs. Sorry. If your name is Kiki, I'm sorry. I just saw it in the chat. Oh my god. I saw it in the chat. I had to. Oh! Whoa! That's actually cool. Have y'all heard that the YT in everyone's Roblox name is getting deleted? Luckily, I don't have YT because I'm not even a popular YouTuber. Me with 69 subscribers. Bro, Mr. Beast. Bro, why did I say Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast. Have y'all seen his new chocolate though? Caramel. Wait, that came out like a couple. When did that come out? I haven't had Feastables in so long. I'm surprised that Mr. Beast has come this far. 500 million. I'm like 500 million away from that. Bro's just chilling. He's enjoying life. Meanwhile, us small creators, all the small creators out there, we're just posting non-stop, hoping to get a play button. Hoping to get a mic. Hoping to do to entertain everyone. All over world of videos. He's a good friend of mine. I actually know him. I go to school with him. He's a good person. He does face reveals. I like it. I never knew he actually had a channel until earlier. Once school started, he told me about his YouTube channel. December, he told me about his YouTube channel, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make one. Shout out to all of our older videos, though. Shout out. Shout out. Sorry. I had to do it. I always call him the better YouTuber because he is almost 100 subs, actually. Thank you, all of our world of videos, for inspiring me to do a YouTube channel. Thank you, bro. I don't want to reveal his real name. I mean, I just gotta hope I can actually do this in time. I learned so much new stuff watching more wildlife videos, though. So, yeah, thank you for watching my first mic video in forever. We have a first. We need a salad. Mayday. We got 10 seconds left. Until you die for me, as long as there's a lie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, bye.